like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I tripped and ended up at Sephora. Don't ask me no questions. I don't know how it happened. I just went along with it. But as you can see, I got some new goodies. And because today's video is sponsored by Sephora, I'm about to show you and tell you what's new, what's there, what you should have your eye on, and what you might want to pick up for yourself. So if you want to know more, let's go. Okay, so up first with fragrance. This is the Rabanne Fame and Love. I told you guys about this. I absolutely loved it from the second I smelled it, but I went ahead and got the full-size version of it. First of all, packaging, stunning, so cute, but the fragrance itself is going to be perfect for summer. It is the perfect mix of citrus, gourmand, but still fresh kind of fragrance. I think strawberry might be a note in here, but something along those. First of all, you see how far away my hand is. Still smell it. It's still a strong scent. This is one of those compliment getters. I'll be putting y'all on to the ones where people are going, you're gonna turn heads, people are gonna say, who is that smells like that, and what do you have on? I don't think this is the best for like mixing with other fragrances, because I think it does enough where it stands on its own. I haven't really tested it out with other fragrances yet, but easily an everyday type of thing without me getting sick of it. I'm in love with this. And this is my first time even knowing that they have fragrances, so now I want to see what the other ones smell like as well. Okay, moving on to makeup. I was just talking about summer. This is the One Size Oil Sucker Liquid Blotting Paper Spray. It does have a regular size that it comes in, but I got the mini size because that's how I intend to use it. I'm going to throw it in my bag, take it with me as I go because I have oily skin, and this is supposed to be like a liquid blotting paper. So I keep those in my bag because I have oily skin and sometimes I have to mattify my face again. So this is supposed to do that for you, and I have seen it on other people and it has been working. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how this works, you know, as I go throughout the day. And even if you don't have really oily skin, maybe your face just sweats more, especially in the summer. You know, you go to the gym, just out and about type of thing. It could be something that you keep in your bag, keep in handy, instead of carrying around blotting paper, because, you know, like, what do you do with the paper after you rip it off and use it? So I'm excited to use this. But you can also, you know, especially if you have really oily skin, your face really sweats, you could also just naturally use this in your makeup routine before you leave the house as well. Okay, I think I just told y'all that I feel like MAC was having a little comeback moment, and so am I when it comes to MAC. So this is the MAC Criminal, I think is what it's called, matte lipstick in the shade Cool Teddy. Talk about throwback. Yeah, did you own Cool Teddy? Let me know in the comments down below if you owned Cool Teddy. This shade, this shade, nice little brown lip liner. I'd put it on right now, but you know, I already have like 4 products on my lips right now, but I am so excited for this. MAC has always known how to do it when it comes to lip products, so I'm excited for this. Might circle back and purchase Ruby Woo again. Okay, while we're discussing lip products, this is a new brand to me, Maed, I believe is how you pronounce this. This is their Revive Lip Balm with a raspberry stem cell. This is what it looks like. Very cute. And then, let me see. Come on. That is the product coming out. That is a very cute color. Again, I would try it on now, but we get the point. Do I smell a little raspberry? I think I do, but I'm excited for this one. The shade looked like it'll be really flattering, so I can't wait to see that on. I finally picked up the new Charlotte Tilbury, I think that was upside down, Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. Now, this is in the shade 11 Tan. It is light, it is light. Hear me out though. I only purchased this intending to just use it as a little dot in my inner corner for a little brightness in that area. I do not intend to do like my entire under eye area with this shade of concealer, because this is what 11 looks like. Yeah, so this is gonna last me a little minute, because when I tell you literally just a dot of this, I mean a dot. But I'm excited because people said this was really full coverage and it just looks really good on the under eye area, so I can't wait to see what this looks like. Okay, also new, this is from Kulfi Beauty. I told you guys I really like their mascara. This is the Kili Glow Mist. That's what this looks like. And I bought this because sometimes when I am using so many mattifying products, like powders, setting sprays, maybe primers. Sometimes skin starts looking a little too makeup-y, so I will use a glowing primer like the Tatcha one, and I'm gonna try this one out to see what this looks like in between layers, so I kind of keep that fresh skin look. So I'm excited for this. This will be the no, because I also tried their lip lines. I was gonna say besides their mascara, eye product, stuff like that, my first other category makeup product, but I did try their lip liners. So I'm excited for this. This kind of reminded me of MAC Fix Plus. I did go ahead and repurchase the Pat McGrath blush. So this is the Divine blush in the shade Paradise Venue. I did go ahead and repurchase it because I could not find the one that I already had, and this is such a pretty blush shade, especially for deeper complexions, that it's one that I just have to have. And it's funny because I found the one that I had, again, I started using it, fell in love with it, and of course I lost it. But it's such a pretty blush shade to have that I just had to go ahead and buy it again. It's like a terracotta type of blush, and it's right in between being that perfect reddish pink on deeper complexions. Need this. You need this in your collection. Also from Pat McGrath, this is the Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder. I think this is one of the best blurring powders out there. It was ahead of its time. We are now in the time where everything is blurring. Primers are blurring, foundations are blurring, powders are blurring, setting sprays are blurring. She was ahead of her time with this one, and this is probably one of the best blurring powders you can get. However, I got it in a new shade for me. This is in Baby Pink. Okay, and the last makeup product that I got, I told you guys I kind of wanted to start getting some eyeshadow palettes again, so we're starting out small. This is from Patrick Ta. It is the Major Dimension Essential Artistry Edit eyeshadow palette, and it is a neutral eyeshadow palette, but I wanted one good easy go-to this for really simple eyeshadow looks, and because of its size, it's very travel friendly. Look, is that not the most simple everyday eyeshadow palette that you could go for? I have tried his eyeshadows but in shimmer version, and it was very good quality, so I have very high hopes on this, and I will be filming a video where I test all the makeup products on my face. But it's so pretty but simple, and sometimes simple can be very beautiful. Okay, and the last two things that I got, I had to stock up on the cotton pads. These are Sephora's brand, and they are the organic cotton pads. These are a lifesaver when it comes to my skincare routine, mainly at night because it's not as extensive in the morning. But these get me through it because I don't like touching certain products. So I just put them on the pads and then put it on my face. So I had to stock up on these, and I believe you get 50 in each one. And yeah, that is it for my haul. Everything I talked about will be linked in the description down below for you to check out. If you are not a part of the Sephora Beauty Insider program, I will also have a link with all the information for you to sign up in the description, making it easier for you because, baby, sign up. Now's the time to become a member. Start racking up the points, using these deals, save you some money. Like I said, I will be doing a video actually putting the products on my face, so if you were looking for first impression reviews, I will be able to give you that, even though some of them are not new to me, but stay tuned for that as well. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Yeah, yeah.